Experience the new era of green space at Portmore Resilience Park. This groundbreaking park seamlessly merges climate resilience with recreational areas, making it a vital and timely addition to the vibrant city of Portmore in St. Catherine. Discover the perfect balance between nature and leisure in the Sunshine City. Get ready for the transformation of Portmore with the Portmore Resilience Park. Spanning 21 acres within a 26-acre lot, this exciting project will be completed in just 18 months. Imagine a place where you can enjoy beautifully landscaped areas, state-of-the-art sports facilities, commercial hubs, and much more. What can you expect to find at the Portmore Resilience Park? Let's break it down. There will be a main administrative building with commercial spaces, a maintenance building, an indoor sports center, water features, promenades, gazebos, and outdoor multi-purpose sports courts. Plus, there will be an outdoor gym, a children's play area, and a 10-foot wide jogging trail for fitness enthusiasts. And that's not all. You'll also find a great lawn event space, pavilion, restrooms, and even a climate change tower reservation. But it's not just about the amenities. The Portmore Resilience Park is committed to being eco-friendly and sustainable, with features like water conservation management, energy efficiency, nature-based adaptation, and sustainable solid waste management. This park is designed with the future in mind. Effective conservation strategies will see rainwater collected to reduce water usage through on-site treatment, water recycled and reused, and storm water effectively managed and incorporated into features like rain gardens. To provide a pleasant environment, local, drought-tolerant plant species will be utilized to provide shade, remove air pollutants, and produce oxygen. The park's design includes alternative energy sources through the implementation of a photovoltaic PV solar system and EV chargers on site. The benefits of the Portmore Resilience Park are vast. For the public, it offers access to top-notch sports facilities, relaxing landscaped areas, and a place to connect with the community. The business community will also thrive, with commercial spaces available for lease and opportunities for economic growth. This park is expected to generate more than 400 jobs during construction, 70 during operation, and provides scores of others through the facilitation of more than 20 micro and small enterprises within the park. These will contribute to a growing and burgeoning economy for Portmore and beyond. So whether you're a resident of Portmore, a business owner, or simply someone who loves spending time in green spaces, the Portmore Resilience Park is a project that should not be missed. Get ready to experience the future of parks. Join us as we create a sustainable oasis for St. Catherine and Jamaica.